Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Install the VM-specific guest tools so the OS can resize its display. Once done, mount the guest editions or VMware tools ISO and run the installer inside the virtual machine. Follow prompts and accept device driver installations. After the installer finishes, reboot the virtual machine to activate display drivers. Make sure the host window is set to a scalable or auto-resize mode, so the guest can report new resolutions once drivers are active. Once the guest is back up, open the VM menu and enable auto-resize guest display or choose View Full Screen. If you prefer manual control, set the guest OS resolution to match the host screen, commonly 1920 x 1080 or your native panel size. Make sure host display scaling is compatible. Fractional scaling can interfere with exact pixel mapping. If the option is grayed out, install the VM extension pack or update the guest display driver. Then restart the VM to see new resolution choices. To complete, switch to full screen using the VM toolbar or the host full screen shortcut, for example host +F. Ensure the VM captures keyboard and mouse input. If you notice black bars or letterboxing, toggle the scale to window option or pick an aspect ratio that matches the physical display. If the screen still won't expand, reinstall guest tools, enable 3D acceleration in VM settings, and reboot. A single key troubleshooting tip: reinstall guest editions and reboot. Most full screen problems resolve after that.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.